That's a cool groove, and that's exactly what we're going to be learning right now. Now, if you're one of those advanced drummers that follows my channel, you don't need to watch this video. It's too easy for you. Go find one of my other videos on crossover, hippadiddles, holy shiplap, and you'll be fine. But for those of you that are ready to bridge that gap from beginning drummer into intermediate drummer, this linear groove is going to be perfect for you. So let's break it down 8 notes at a time. It is 16 notes long, so let's think of it in 2 chunks of 8. 1 E enda, 2 E enda lives on its own, then 3 E enda, 4 E enda lives on its own, then we bring them together. So our first 8 notes, nice and simple. We've got kick, right, right, kick, left, right, right, left. I want you to accent, if you can, each of the second right hands on the hi-hat. So kick, right, right, kick, left, right, right, left. Let's try it together nice and slow, 50 beats per minute. Here we go, come on. Now, I forgot to mention earlier, but in most of my intermediate linear grooves, the snare drum is always ghost noted unless it's beats 2 or 4, our main backbeats. All right, now let's figure out your next 8 notes. So 3 E enda, 4 E enda. We've got right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. We're doing it at 50 beats per minute, and yes, you need to do it with me. Stop typing! Don't ask me about my metronome! Come on now. All right, so as you can see, neither of those parts by themselves are too difficult, and now all we have to do is put them together. So we've got kick, right, right, kick, left, right, right, left, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. I know that it's a lot to memorize if you're just thinking right, left, kick, right, left, kick, 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 right, left. That's hard to do. I agree. So make it a sound. I'm not thinking rights and lefts and kicks. I'm thinking and for me, I'd probably need to read it in the beginning. So the link for the notation is in the description. All right, so let's try this thing. We're going to put both together. We'll do it at 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, come on. Oh my God, can we please talk about that floor tom for a second? All right, that's enough talking about it, but hot dog, let's do this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Honorable mention, 22-inch Big Apple Dark Ride cymbal. All right, now obviously you can play this groove at any tempo you want, but I think this thing really lives around 110 to 120 BPM. It just feels good there to me. Now, here's a thing. I'm gonna play it at our goal tempo, but as a bonus, every fill I play will be the pattern of the groove. So I'm not gonna change the sticking whatsoever. All I'm gonna do is move the orchestration around. And that's what I love about linear grooves. Linear grooves allow you to make fills out of your grooves. They're kind of interchangeable, and I think that's really cool because it doubles everything you're learning. Oh, isn't that cool? Remember where we started? And now we've got freaking spicy meatballs. Holy hell. Now, YouTubers, if you got some of this and you want more of this stuff, there's a full course, Linear Grooves Part 1 on Mike'sLessons.com right now. You can check that out. Hopefully you guys got something out of this, and hopefully you'll make it yours. And you can see that just through orchestration, you can make it yours. Just move even one note somewhere and all of a sudden, boom, it's your variation of it. It's your version of it. And that is a cool thing. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.